Hello everyone, today we're restoring an AA5 tube radio, but we're doing it in a workstation, a library here, so this ought to be interesting. This is a library supplied soldering iron, oscillator, dowel lamp, good. This is filter cap. We'll solder in a new one. Alright, let's remove the old filter cap. Alright, here's the planet. This is just 50 plus 30 microfarads at 150 volts. I don't have a 30, so we'll just put in two 50s at 350. Little 50 volt. These little things would just explode in the radio, so we got these 350 volt caps. So let's put those in. Alright, even though this is 65 watts, this iron sucks. I mean, it's good for, you know, the little stuff. Like, I don't know. It's good for soldering onto this, but these giant joints, really, that you need a good iron or a soldering gun. And I probably just ruined this purple mat with the molten lead. Alright, here are the new filters. I'll probably have to redo this when I get home. Anyway, I'm going to reconnect the antenna and we'll see if this works. Half expecting this to just explode. So I've alligator clipped up the antenna. It's not going to hum. Well, it shouldn't hum. I took out the old planet.
Syndicated media host Dr.
I hate the library. It's a spicy radio.
Guild Spice chest. There was something in my shoe. There's a penny in my shoe. I guess I got richer anyway.